Hey everyone, so recently we have released a new functionality, add, edit and delete in bulk in bar and supplier module. So in this video, I will guide you around one of the functionality where we have provided multiple user adding in bar and supplier. So let me show you how you can do this and how it will be helpful to you. So suppose you want to add several users of buyer or supplier. There are several users which you want to add, and so that while creating the document, the email should be there and it should be sent to them. How you can do that? Click on all modules, then you need to go to buyer and supplier module. After going in buyer and supplier module, on your right hand side, please check there is an option of bulk action. Click on the same. Now here you will see an option of upload company users. Click on this. Now you need to download the template. I have already created one template. Let me show you. So this is how it will look like. UUID, you will get it from your counterparty details report. Apart from that, the company name. So these companies already need to be added in the transact in buyer and supplier, because first you need to add them, then after you can add the users. Now here I mentioned Mr. Prabhat, Mr. Abhishek, Mr. Prashant. I provided the email. These are some of the mandatory fields. You can go to the instruction to check what all are the mandatory fields. Now I saved it. After that, I came back and here I uploaded this particular file. Now once I uploaded, I clicked on submit. Please check upload successful, numbers of user added to 3. How we can see that? So first of all, let us go to Vasant Technologies. I will simply just type Vasant Technologies here. Now I will open Vasant Technologies and please check. If I will go ahead and see in the user segment, I will be able to find that particular name. Please check. Can you see test at test.com and test1 at test.com, Mr. Prabhat and Mr. Abhishek. I hope this video will be helpful to you in adding users in buyer and supplier. Have a good day ahead.